Hi guys, I only record this for exactly 15 minutes. So let's just go fast. I know you hear a lot of typing. There you go. I hope, my name's Destroyer PvP. It's just that. No, actually. So I'm gonna show you Finger Dash. If you don't play Minecraft, if you don't play Geometry Dash, whoops, that's loud. Sorry about the volume. I hope you guys play Geometry Dash. I hope you do, though. Really. I'll be back. I'll go to the Finger Dash. Okay, I'm back. This is Geometry Dash. Like I said. This is Finger Dash. You guys don't know how to play it. I know it's really slow. It's just because it's glitching because of me recording. Really sad, but it's okay. I might play Undertale soon. I just don't know when. But it's okay. I'm gonna play Undertale soon. I hope it's fine with you guys. But I'm doing this slowly because it's glitching. Hope it's not glitching for you guys. I don't know. It's glitching for me, so I can't see it properly. No, the music's way too early. But you can hear the music, right? Sorry you hear that tapping on the space bar. Because I'm really trying to concentrate for you guys. So I'm gonna be back, guys, when I die. I'm trying to get as far as I can for you guys. You see this? So stressing. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, you see that? That's stressing me out when I die exactly at 73. My record's 75, and it's disturbing. When I die at 73, but I'm my record's 75. Here, you know how it said 73? I'm gonna show you that it says 75. Hold up. It's gonna go fast. It's gonna take a long time, but it's gonna be worth it. You guys can see it again though. I know the music's way off. I don't know why it does that. It's because I'm recording though. If I'm not recording, I have to play perfectly. It goes up exactly 15 minutes. Ah, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time for you. Ready, set, go.